Stop scrolling, because this tiny electric tricycle camper might completely change how you think about travel in 2025. This is the Electric TriCycle Camper Micro 2025. And today, I'm giving you the most honest, no-nonsense review. No hype, no sponsorship bias, just real talk. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic movie. Compact, minimal, and surprisingly bold. But don't let the size fool you, because this thing is doing a lot more than it should for something this small. Let's talk about the electric side first. The TriCycle camper runs on a fully electric motor, designed for short to medium trips, city cruising, and light adventure routes. It's quiet, like library quiet. No engine noise, no vibrations, just smooth movement. Perfect if you're someone who loves peaceful travel or wants to avoid fuel costs completely in 2025. Now here's where it gets interesting. The camper part. Yes, it's micro, but it's smart. Inside, you get a compact sleeping space that comfortably fits one adult, maybe two if you're okay with cozy vibes. There's proper ventilation, soft interior lighting, and enough storage for essentials like bags, a small stove, or camper gear. This isn't luxury camping, it's efficient camping. Driving experience? Surprisingly stable. The three-wheel design keeps it balanced, even on uneven roads. It's not made for racing, obviously, but it feels confident, controlled, and beginner-friendly. If you can ride a scooter, you can handle this. Charging is simple. Plug it in at home or at a public charging point, and you're good to go. A full charge gives you enough range for day trips or short camping getaways, which honestly fits the lifestyle this camper is built for. Now let's be honest about the downsides. This is not for families. It's not for long highway trips. And if you expect hotel-level comfort, this is not it. Space is limited, speed is limited, and weather can be a factor. But that's not the point of this camper. So who is this for? Solo travelers, content creators, minimalists, people who want to escape the city for a night without spending a fortune. If that sounds like you, the Electric TriCycle Camper Micro 2025 might actually be one of the smartest micro-mobility campers this year.